10. Genius small bathroom ideas that'll totally transform your space. For a space so tiny, a whole lot has to happen in the bathroom. And don't get us started on fitting all our makeup, hair care tools, medicine and more in a cramped vanity. These organizing solutions create new storage in spots you've probably never thought about before. That way, you can have your nail polish and flat iron, too. 1. Make cabinet doors more valuable. If the space under your sink is stuffed full, squeeze in a few more items on the cabinet door. This organizer features a hairdryer Caddy, a hook for the cord and a compartment for curling and straightening irons. 2. Use every corner. The suction cups on these organizers allow for easy installation in your shower and put awkward spaces to work. They come individually, so you can stack as many as you want in a row. 3. Slide a cabinet by your sink. Sometimes sink basins make a cramped bathroom feel even smaller, and when you have a sink with no vanity, well, where does stuff go? But this narrow organizer, it's only 4.75 inches wide, features 3 baskets and will fit into most awkward spots. 4. Install an outlet shelf. Instead of letting your electric toothbrush or razor take up valuable counter space, this shelf takes advantage of vertical storage. 5. Buy a swing towel holder. Towels piled on top of each other never get dry. This swivel rack keeps all of them separate. It'll save you major wall space, too. 6. Hang a caddy in your tub. Instead of leaving your bath essentials scattered along your tub's edge, use this silicone pocket to keep everything in one spot. It's heat resistant, so you can also use it on your counter for your blow dryer or flat iron. 7. Keep towels on your door. We already established under the sink space is a hot commodity, so instead of stashing your colorful guest towels out of sight, display them on your door. This also makes them easier to grab in a hurry. 8. Try a shelf on your holder. If you think you already own this toilet paper holder, look closer. This dispenser comes with a storage shelf for reading materials, tissues or your cell phone. Store it here before it accidentally falls from your pocket to the toilet bowl. 9. Keep cosmetics front and center. Think about what you store on the back of your medicine cabinet right now. Nothing? Thought so. These cubbies will keep all of your brushes and colors organized and off of the counter, even better. 10. Look above your toilet. The one space almost every underutilizes, the wall above their toilet. This organizer offers a stylish solution, with a cabinet and 2 adjustable shelves up for grabs for all of your stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.